Hello students, let me discuss to you now division of polynomials using long division. Okay, take note that before doing so, you have to make sure that your polynomial is in standard form. Polynomial is in standard form if the exponent of the variable is in descending order. Okay, pababa ang ating mga exponents. Okay, so let's do this example. Divide 3x cubed plus 19x minus 10 plus 16x squared by x plus 3. We have to write our answer in this form. Polynomial over the divisor is equal to the quotient plus the remainder over the divisor. Okay, in our given, of course, this is our polynomial. And this is our divisor. So we will be looking for our quotient and our remainder. Okay, let's try this one. First, let's inspect our polynomial. Is it already in standard form? Cube, and then 1, constant, and then square. Of course, it's not yet. So we have to arrange it. So the first term would be 3x cubed. Since it is the exponent, it is the variable with the highest exponent. Followed by positive 16x squared. Followed by positive 19x. And then we have negative 10. Divided by, our divisor is x plus 3. Okay, division of polynomials using the long division is the same with dividing whole numbers, wherein we divide, we multiply, and then we subtract. Let's do it this way. Let's have the first term, 3x cubed divided by x. So you may use a scratch paper if you are confused about this division. So 3x cubed over x is actually 3 minus 1, that's 2. So 3x squared. So 3x squared, we are going to write it here. Katapat ng 16x squared. Kasi yun yung kapareho niya ng exponent. And then this quotient will be multiplied to this binomial. Isa-isa ulit. 3x squared times x is 3x cubed. 3x squared times 3 is positive 9x squared. 3 times 3 is 9. Wala namang x dito, so copy x squared. After multiplication, we subtract. Of course, 3x cubed minus 3x squared is 0. So, cancelled na siya. So, 16x squared minus 9x squared is as simple as 16 minus 9 and copy the common variable. 16 minus 9 is 7. And then we copy x squared. This time, we bring down the remaining part. So, plus 19x. Please, wag kakalimutan yung mga operations. Kasi when we do the solution, we do use that as our signs. Okay, so this time, again, we have this first term divided by the first term here. So 7x squared divided by x is 7x. 7x squared divided by x is 7x, right? So we write this 7x, positive siya, so we have it plus 7x there. Multiply this to this binomial. 7x times x is 7x squared. 7x times 3, positive ulit, so plus 21x. And then next to the operation is, we subtract. Again, this will be cancelled out, kasi 0 na siya. 19 minus 21 is negative 2. And then copy the common variable x. The last one, bring it down, negative 10. And then, meron tayo ulit first term against the first term here. So, negative 2x divided by x will give you negative 2. Okay, so itong negative 2, constant na siya, katapat na siya ng constant, minus 2. Multiply it sa dalawa, negative 2 times x, negative 2x. Negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. And then, let us subtract once again. So, cancel this out. Magiging negative 2 minus negative 2, that would be 0. Pero yung negative 10 minus negative 6, baka ma-confuse kayo, pwede kayong gumamit ng scratch paper. Okay, negative 10 minus negative 6. Change the sign of the subtrahend, proceed to addition. Negative 10 plus positive 6 is subtraction, copy the sign of the bigger number. So, negative 4 ang sagot. So, since wala na kayong pwedeng ibaba, this will be our remainder. Okay? Now, let us write our answer in this form. So, copyhin ko lang yung P, polynomial, divided our divisor, is equal to, our quotient is this one. So, 3x squared plus 7x minus 2. And then plus, our remainder is negative 4. So, negative 4 over the divisor, which is x plus 3. X plus 3. So, this is our answer. Okay? Of course, there are many more examples. You may also view any video about this division. Okay, that's all. See you in the next video. Let me discuss to you division of polynomials using synthetic division. It is an easier way to divide polynomials. Take note that before you do anything, make sure that your polynomial is written in standard form. Ibig sabihin, exponents are in decreasing order. Okay, and later we are going to write our answer this way. So let's have our example. 3x cubed plus 19x minus 10 plus 16x squared divided by x plus 3. Inspect our polynomial. Of course, this is our polynomial. This is our divisor. Okay, so is it in standard form? Not yet. Let us rewrite it in standard form. So this will be 3x cubed. It is the leading coefficient, a leading term since it has the highest exponent of the variable, followed by 16x squared and plus 19x minus 10. So, now that we have this in standard form, let's do the steps for synthetic division. First, let us copy our coefficients. Numerical coefficients, 3, 16, 19, and negative 10. Okay, in a row. Then, let us get our divisor. We have here x plus 3. Equate it to 0. Then, of course, solve for x. We'll have x is equals to negative 3. And this negative 3 will be written in this leftmost corner of our coefficients, negative 3. Let's put horizontal line, leaving a space in between. And this, let's have our BMA. Okay, shortcut for bring down, multiply, add. So yes, we'll only multiply and add in this process. Okay, so we have to bring it down. 3. Multiply, negative 3 times 3 is negative 9. And then let's add. 16 plus negative 9, following rules of integers, it will be positive 7. Why? Subtract 16 and 9 and copy the sign of the bigger number. That's why it is 7. Multiply 7 and negative 3, we have negative 21. And then add, you have negative 2. Negative 2, going back, multiply. That would be positive 6. And then this is negative 4. So see, you multiply, add, continuously up to the last coefficient. Now, since this is the last, it will be our remainder. And these are the numerical coefficient of our quotient. Let us write now our answer. Px over dx, polynomial over the divisor is, our quotient is 3 and then x. Since we have here cube, so we divide a cube by a linear, so bawasan lang natin ang exponent nito ng squared. Sabo, 3 minus 1, so that's squared. And then copy positive 7, so plus 7x. And then negative 2, kaya magiging minus 2. In our rule, we are going to write it this way, so plus our remainder, negative 4, over the divisor, which is x plus 3. This is our final answer. You may always check using the long method or long division. Okay, let's have example number 2. Okay, let's try x cubed minus 125 divided by x minus 5. This will be our polynomial. This is our divisor. Take a look at our polynomial. Yes, it is the highest exponent. Kaso constant na yung karugtong. So, wala tayong quadratic term, wala tayong linear term. That's why we need to rewrite it. And then, let us insert 0 in place of those missing terms. Okay. So, I have here 3, 2, 1, and the coefficients are 0. Minus 125. So, ito ang gagamitin natin para sa ating synthetic division. Let us write now the coefficient, first steps. So, this 1, so 1 dyan. 0, 0, then negative 125. Again, ano yung number nilalagay natin dito? Coming from the divisor, we have x minus 5. Equate it to 0, therefore x is equals to 5. So, 5 ilalagay ko dito. And then, once again, we follow, bring down, multiply, and add continuously. So, bring down 1. 1 times 5 is 5. 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 times 5 is 25. 0 plus 25 is 25. 25 times 5, when you compute, it will be positive 125. You add this, it will be 0. Ibig sabihin, 0 ang remainder, wala tayong remainder. So, let's write our answer. Px over dx is equals to 1. From cube, magiging square na lang siya. Bawas isa. 5, so plus 5x plus positive 25. Pwede nang wala yan. Wala na tayong remainder. So, this is our final answer. There you have it. This is how to do synthetic division. Thank you. Hope you learned something. See you in the next video.